You know, sometimes you just want to sit on your porch and enjoy the weather, enjoy the view, sipping your coffee or your wine, and kind of see what's going on in the neighborhood. Now, if that's something that sounds like you, this could be your next house. So while you have a large open floor plan, you still have a wall and an archway that separates your living area and then your kitchen and dining area, which is nice for a lot of people. All of the areas except for the bedrooms are tile, and it's a large, neutral color tile, so you don't have to worry about spills, and it'll go with just about any decoration you throw at it. And there's really no question at all that a large sectional will fit just fine. So you have this area here, this ledge, where you could put some thin bar stools, that would be my preference, but you also have a space for maybe the kids to do some homework and still be there with you while you're cooking dinner.
Mom! Mommy! Mommy! Mama! Ma!
Your dishwasher, your electric range and oven, and then your microwave all convey with the property. And this fridge, it's really nice. It already matches everything. Unfortunately, it doesn't actually come with the property unless maybe you're willing to negotiate. You have plenty of room in this kitchen. You could have two people in here cooking or doing whatever they like and not have to worry about bumping into each other. You also have a lot of cabinets top and bottom for storage, and the granite countertop matches them perfectly. And you have outlets for days, so there's no issue with putting appliances on your countertops either. Your pantry is deeper than your fridge is, so you have no shortage of storage space for things like canned goods, spices, and maybe even additional appliances. So you have two rooms at the front of the house. You've got one over on this side and one over on that side. And what separates the two is a bathroom, and this is great for guests or children to be able to use the rooms, or if you wanted to have an office or rec room at the front of the house. So because the house was built in 2018, your breaker box still has all the labels, your HVAC and your water heater are still under warranty, and your full irrigation system in both the front and the backyard makes sure that your grass stays watered. And can we take just a moment to appreciate this grass? It's like carpet. Look how thick and deep it is. So the cool thing about this laundry room is you have a lot of space to work with. You already have some built-in shelving, but if you wanted to, you could even put some additional shelving back here and over there because you have tons of room to do so. Right now, the sellers are using this for their puppies, but if you took this out, you could probably put another bed in here if you wanted to. Anyway, another cool thing about it is it's right off of the master bedroom, which means you don't have to lug your laundry all throughout the house or through your kitchen. So that's really, really nice for a lot of people. So your master bedroom is large enough to have a queen or a king size bed in it and still have room for other furniture. Don't forget, it also has a fan, which keeps you nice and cool in the evening. The closet in the master bedroom is deep, deep, deep. You've got plenty of room to put all your clothes. So you have a double vanity. You also have a two-person or a double shower. I wonder what that's for.
It's business. It's business time. I know what you're trying to say. You're trying to say it's time for business. It's business time. Ooh.
So let me get this straight. You have a 3-bed, 2-bath house, which is eligible for USDA if you qualify, which means you wouldn't have to put any money down. You have the upgrades of a new build, since this was built in 2018, at the price of a resale. So it's less than $200,000. It's one of the few houses in the Austin area that can say that. It's less than half a mile from the elementary school, plus you get a community park and a community pool. You know what? Just come see it. Just come see it. You'll want to see it. You know what else? Let's take a ride around the neighborhood so you can see what that looks like too. Hold on a sec, I gotta get ready. My glasses play the music. There we go. Hey, where are you going? Where are you going? Can't forget this.